Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go. It's cold outside. It's snowing outside today. Man, what's going on with this? Is wild looking. What's going on? We have Pudgy first in the chat, man. What's going on, Pudgy? Dark Bro, Rich. Oh, Mr. Brian, Dark Bro. We got Rich, Dark Bro, Rich, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Rich, Pudgy, Frank, Dark Bro, Nufo. We've got Rich, Pudgy, Rich, Dark Bro, Rich, Chris. What's going on, man? Rich, Pudgy, Rich, Dark Bro, Rich, Frank, Paul, Dark Bro, Pudgy, Frank, Pudgy, Dark Bro, Nick F. Good morning, Frank, Pudgy, B-Boy. What's going on, B-Boy? Rich, Dark Bro, Rich, Next Level, Rich, Next Level, Rich, Next Level, Rich, Next Level, Rich, Matthew, Pika Power, Hemi Life, Rich, Pika Power, Next Level, Pika Power, and Hemi Life. My goodness, you guys are very conversive? Vocal? Alive? I don't know what the right word to use there is, but you guys are very much that word. Everything seems to be looking very good right now, guys. We've got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen. It is up 3% right now. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1162. GameStop 1929. Bitcoin sitting at $21,360. Very nice on Bitcoin. The NASDAQ up a whopping 1.47%. Very nice on the NASDAQ. Pure Therapeutics down to $4.55. We've got AMC 569, Ethereum 1588, Shiba 1162, Dogecoin 8.2 cents, Bitcoin $21,361, Sundial $2.31, Mullen Auto 26 cents. It's down. CEI $1.82, break even. SPY sitting at $3.91, BBIG 65 cents, Highcroft Mining 63 cents, Netflix 336, Terra Luna Classic 17.3, QQQ 279, and Ape sitting at $1.70. Ape is up there as well today, looking very good, guys. We can check out Genius, GNS, and there's another one that starts with an H today that was running. The CEO wanted to join forces with the CEO of Genius and take on the shorts together. Where's the runners? Tops. Oh, this one. HLBZ. Oh, dude, HLBZ was doing a lot better earlier. Is it only at 15? It was like 30-something cents. Okay, no, it's at 20. That was way low. Yeah, this guy right here, man, look at this. His stock running to 36 cents from 10 cents yesterday. Because the CEO tweeted out that he wanted to join that task force and take on the naked shorts together. Dude, the CEO probably sold his shares for like $3 million this morning and ripped everybody that joined into it. Genius, same deal. Genius is sitting at GNS. Where's GNS? Come on, go to the G's. There it is. Genius, $3.50 after touching $5.50 this morning. Still up a whopping 71% on the day. These stocks are running because the CEO said that they're putting together some sort of a task force to take on those naked, nasty shorts, man. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Oh, Pat, man, hold on. We can't start the stream this way. Pat, give me 2 seconds. I need some water. Hold on. Oh, yeah. All right, Pat. Now we are good to go. Pudgy is first, baby. Dilly. Pudgy, this one's for you. We've got that authorized hydration, Pat, man. Thank you very much for that super chat. Devil's Advocate, just stop by to click that like and tell Piggy she's cute. Very nice, Devil's Advocate. Boom, baby. Everybody else click that like button like Devil's Advocate did. GNS, please. I was told I missed. Well, I don't know, man. Mr. Brian, did you get in? You didn't get in? What did you want to do? Nufo, thank you for the rainbow. Nufo, thank you for the rainbow. Nufo, thank you for the rainbow, Nufo. Absolutely appreciate that. It is going to be a rainbow type of a day. Oh, yes. Sarah Destin, 50 Shades of Croy. What's going on, Sarah? How you doing? It's time to panic. I like that. It's time to panic by. That's a good name, man. That's a good name because a lot of people do panic buy. Now, we're talking about Saitama today. Saitama. See, the thing is, I don't know anything about Saitama, man. So if you want me to talk about it, it's just going to be straight out of my you-know-where. Cool, hope you're having a wicked day, man. Best energy out of all the investment content creators, bro. You're genuinely hyped, bringing awesome homes. Mad hippie. You know what, dude? I think it's a combination. If I'm just going to be honest with everybody, I think it's a combination of, coming on here and feeding off of your guys' energy and your excitement as well. Because it does pump you up a little bit. It really does. So it's a combination of that. Plus, dude, I cannot think of anything that I genuinely enjoy more than watching a stupid line on the graph. A line on the graph, it means money is being made. Money could be being lost, too, if the line's going the wrong way. But money being made just by buying and selling things is just so... It's just so amazing, dude. It's like, it is a form of art to me. And I guess it's because I like it so much and I like you guys so much that, well, dude, how could you not be hyped, man? Let's see. Sarah, watch the Wild European Hamster BBC. Please, somebody watch that Wild European Hamster. It is the coolest thing ever. If you thought chipmunks were cool, let's all go to Eastern Europe and let's grab ourselves a Wild European Hamster. My chat just caught up. Sorry I didn't ignore you, Pika. I love more sun. Need to get it for my pale skin. Me too, man. The winter is catching up with me. You guys can tell. I look like I'm sick. I was sick, but I'm not sick anymore. And now my skin looks like I'm dying. And it's not. It's just because it's wintertime. It's a beautiful Friday. Just closed on a huge deal with a national bank. Boom! Don't be salty. Perfect, man. Salty ain't salty today. We're talking about Saitama. We could be talking about Saitama, man. What are your thoughts on Saitama, JB? You like it? You don't like it? What's up? You're still on about the hamsters. Sarah Destin 56 Croy. You need to send me one of those hamsters in the mail, okay? Go travel. It's a lot closer for you, okay? It really is. It's a lot closer for you. Just go. Okay, drive over to some Eastern European country. You can find one of these wild hamsters, catch one, put him in a box, fill it with dirt and food and everything, so he's gonna be fine. And maybe like a little gyroscope, so he's never upside down because those mailmen, dude, they just throw them packages. Mail me that little hamster, and it'll be great. That's just, I say thank you for it. It'll be great. I need one. Yo, No Toast. What's going on? Yo Toast. Not the hamster again. Oh, the hamster again, Rich. Oh, yes. I don't know how long I will be on here for, and I stood on my charger. Oh, gosh. You don't have a backup? You need a backup charger, Sarah Des Step, 50 Shades of Croix. Thomas sucks. JV throwing them fighting words out there? Oh, no. How does something that's bumping so... Ooh, yes. That is the most philosophical question anybody has ever said in their entire life. Dude, you can look at it two ways, man. You honestly can. This is what we need to learn. If you're making money, does it matter if it sucks? If it's going up and you're making money, who cares if it sucks? Now, if it's going down and it really does suck, then it double sucks. But boom, baby, if it's going up, I don't think it matters. I don't think it matters if it sucks or not. If you're making money, I like it. I like the way you put it. How does something suck? How does something that's pumping suck? Interesting time to panic buy. You might be onto something there. Hey, if you're making money, you're making money. Let's see. Thought Saitama was a Chinese drink. Very well could be, man. I don't know. Pope thing that will get yeeted around. Pope thing? Poor thing. Oh, yeah, poor thing. No, the poor thing will get yeeted. That's why I said, man, you got to put him in like some sort of a little gyroscope or something that never turns upside down. Otherwise, he's got to get chucked. I'm going to cricket and put it in a jar with a stick and a leaf and simulate its natural environment. Don't be salty. That you could do, man. That you could do. Brazilian Thump by Dr. Who Dat. No Toast. I'm going to have to do that. Is that a YouTube video or what is that? 2023 year of all coins to skyrocket. Peace, love. I hope so, man. I do have a spare one, but I can't find it. Sarah, then it's not doing you any good. You need a spare one that you can find. Dang, man, nah, I need Saitama. Me and my FOMO. You guys coming in here making next level of FOMO into Saitama. Hey, next level. Honestly, there's no reason that you can't FOMO in and just FOMO back out. You know what I mean? Like, dude, if you can go in there and just rip a 5% gain, go rip a 5% gain, man. I don't know what Saitama's doing. Let's see what it's doing today. 68% gain today. It is rolling. Nope, wrong one. It is the wrong one again. What are you doing, Clay, bro? Click the right button. What the heck? This isn't your first stream. Saitama sitting at 0.0029 right now, rolling up 68% over the last day, looking very good, over double your value over the last week. Now, still looking good on a 1-month chart. My goodness, man. So it's been sitting pretty steady for a while. 3 months, not moving too much. 1 year graph down pretty big, but still moving up. All time, okay, so it's been out for, what, less than a year? And seems to be bouncing back. Dude, I don't know, man. I don't know. You're running into resistance right where you're at right now, okay? So next level, if I'm looking at it, I don't know if you necessarily want to FOMO in right at this level here. I wish you could draw lines. You guys might not even be able to see that. I wish you could draw lines on the chart, but if you look, man, this 3 cent mark, level of support on the way down, level of support for about a month here on the way down, and touched it again right here, and then when it broke, it was finally able to go back, finally able to move lower. On its way back up right now. This is where we are, dude. We're right here at this level of now resistance. So, good news is, if it breaks, yeah, you could run back up to almost, not 4 cents, but 0.4 of a cent. So, you could get a decent little run to nearly a 33% gain from where we are right now, if it breaks. I don't know if it's going to break it on the first attempt. You may have been better off FOMOing in earlier on in the week, or, earlier today even, but this level could be tough for a FOMO. So if you are feeling the FOMO, just watch out for that right there. You could still be sitting on a nice 30% gain if it breaks it. But does it break it the first time? That's kind of what I'd be asking myself if I was worried about FOMOing in right now. And I don't know if it's going to be able to do it. So anybody watching Saitama, though, if you're in Saitama, cool. Great gains today. But be aware of that resistance level. Let's see. Saitama probably has 50% sale tax. Ooh, dude, if he's got a 50% sale tax, that's going to be tough because today you just broke even. Clear up for your request to remind you that today is my son's 3rd birthday. Is your son listening right now, Dark Bro? Because if he is, he's about to get a happy birthday. And thank you for reminding me because I 100% did not think about that. 100%, man. 100%. J-Bones, you are here, J-Bones. I like it. Let me make sure that kid is there, and I'm going to sing happy birthday to this kid for sure. Be researching creating a trading bot with ChatGPT this weekend. Hey, do it, Notos. I don't, ChatGPT is not going to, it itself is not going to trade for you. But I don't know if it will be able to create a trading bot or code a trading bot. But it itself, it's not connected to the internet in a way that it's able to trade for you. I've already asked it. Let's see. I'm not chasing no green candles. All right, next level. Good deal, man. All right, Dark Bros kid. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. What, baby Dark Bro? Happy birthday to you. Little Dark Bro, that kid ain't no baby. Little Dark Bro, happy birthday to you. Little Dark Bro, man, happy birthday to you. I know your dad is going to give you the best birthday ever today. All the presents you want, dude. I don't know. He said all the presents you want are yours. Little Dark Bro, the day is yours, man. The day is yours. Happy birthday to you, and I hope you have the best birthday ever. Alright, got a rough code for Binance. There you go. No toast. Looking good. Tweak it up with ChatGPT. You might have something going on. Baby Little Dark Bro. Oh, yes. Baby Little Dark Bro. That kid's not a baby, though. 3 years old is not a baby. 2 years old, maybe. Baby. But nah, dude, 3 years old, you're doing good. Woo! Thanks, bros. Clay's laughing. Nice, man. Nice. Hopefully that kid has a great day today. Happy birthday, Little Dark Bro. Oh, yes. Little Dark Bro, happy birthday to you. I like it, man. Sarah throwing a happy birthday out there. Everybody started. Dark Bro throwing. Well, Dark Bro just saying yes, sir. J Bones, yes. Sky. Oh, yeah. He's holding the phone and listening. Perfect. To Dark Bro. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Little Dark Bro, man. I like it. Let's see. J Bones already. All of you guys loving it. Overall market looking very good today, guys. We got green lines or green numbers on the left-hand side of the screen. AMC's up 3%. Shiba's up 0.5%. GameStop's even up today. Ape Stock is up over 8% on the day. Things are looking good, man. NASDAQ up over 1%. Hopefully this stuff doesn't turn and start coming down towards the end of the day here, and we finish the week strong. AMC still looking good. Ethereum about to touch 1,600 points per coin again. Points per coin. Dollars, man. Ethereum's in dollars. It ain't touching points. Shiba Inu 1162, Doge 8, Bitcoin 21.3. Oh, Bitcoin's gonna be touching 21.4 in a second here. Sundial is looking good. Mullen Auto. CEI is still some green over here, man. Still looking very good on the day, guys. BBIG down a little bit to 64 cents per share. It's getting hit hard. Down 3% on the day, but Highcroft Mining up a little bit if you guys are in. You know, I might take Highcroft off here. Does anybody even have or care about Highcroft? And CEI now too. I don't know. These two might be bothering me a little bit over here. What do you really? I don't really care about these two, but it's up to you guys if you want to leave them on the side of the screen or not. We can replace those, which might not be a bad idea. Thank you, everyone. He's going to have a great day. Yes, he will, Dark Bro. It's going to be the best birthday ever. Rich here in the UK, too. Then I'm down south. There you go. Down south in the UK. Very nice. I'm Shropshire in the Midlands, Sarah. That really does sound like a UK thing to say, man. I'm not going to lie. Shropshire in the Midlands? Yeah, that is definitely some UK thing to say right there, Rich. Because none of us have any idea what that means. So hopefully Sarah understands what you're talking about. You can take AMC off too. Oh, man. JV, could you imagine? Oh, jeez. I could technically take AMC off of the thing. But I feel like a little tiny piece of my heart would feel like it's missing if I took AMC off the screen there. Maybe we wait until Adam Aaron completely screws us over before we take AMC off. And once it merges back together and it's sitting at like $55 a share and drops back down to like $8 a share from 55 again after that merger and reverse split. Maybe then, once he's kind of, put the dagger in the dead man, then maybe then we can take it off. But, oh boy, I don't know, man. I feel like a little piece of me is going to be missing. You should send a little bro shirt. I should send a little bro shirt, man. But I actually don't have any little bro shirts. No, I don't have any toddler shirts. 3T. Kid probably wears a 3T, 4T. I don't have any of those. I can get one of those. They let people buy them, but I don't have any of those right now, so it's not like I could send one. Let's see. I'm from Yorkshire. Nobody knows where that's at either. Matthew, Yorkshire, Shropshire, Midlands. What is going on, man? Nobody knows where any of these places are. How many people do we have from the UK that are in here right now? Is this an English live stream or what's going on, man? I quit if you do. Boo, boo, boo. You quit if I take it off? No, J-Bones, don't quit, man. Notos, it's a place up north in the UK. There you go. Yorkshire is where the hobbits live, Notos. Yeah, it is. All of those shires, man. Mini Bro shirt. Dark Bro says, let's go for it. It's a Mighty Boosh quote. Mighty Boosh? I don't even know what Boosh means. I'm from the UK. Yes. Sarah to step 50 Shades of Croy. Yes, you are. Tea time here. So we are all wide awake. Tea time is dinner time. I remember that. Lauren taught me that tea time is dinner time. I don't know why you guys don't say dinner. You say tea. But tea time, for everybody else that's in this live stream, equals dinner time. AMC led me to you, buddy. I'd be sad. I'd be sad too, J-Bones. I'd be sad too. No, but eventually, maybe one day, if Adam Aaron really does screw us over, we can't take it off the chart one. It's not like if we're here 20 years from now, we got to still be looking at AMC every day. That is a real possibility, but nah, I don't have any intentions of taking that one off here. Highcroft Mining, I don't really care that he lost a bunch of money from AMC and Highcroft Mining. So I'm okay with that. CEI, I'm okay with taking that one off too. Sundial, I mean, we could leave Sundial on if you want. Mullen-Auto, a lot of people in here have that, want to talk about that, so that's cool. BBIG, I mean, we could take BBIG off too if you guys want. I don't have any BBIG. Don't really care about BBIG. So if you guys ever feel the notion, like, get rid of that, put something else on there, we could absolutely get rid of it and put something else on there. If you don't know about the Mighty Boosh, look it up. Thank me later. I'm going to have to look up the Mighty Boosh, man, because not seen that in a while. I have no idea what the Mighty Boosh is. Don't be so salty. Hey, Yorkshire is not a town. It's a county. York is a city. Just saying. Yeah, still, no difference to me, man. No difference to me. Don't forget mine, Sarah. Heck yeah, don't forget it. What's going on, Dangerfield? How you doing, man? Click might be a dumb question. What is this chart program you use? JD, man. No such thing. Literally. The only dumb question you could ask is, why, Claybro, why do you look so stupid? That would be a dumb question. But that's not what you asked. You asked about the charting program. This is Webull. So Webull is a broker. You can use it simply for charts if you want. You don't have to log in, but you can customize this view in any way. I've just got 4 charts up here, man. But you can take this and make this look like anything you want. You got a stock screener. You can go through and sort by the stocks you want. You just get a nice watch list with one graph up on the screen. You can look at all of the market trends and what's moving, the top movers, top active, top ETFs, 52-week movers. There's so much you can look at in here. Even if you don't want to use it as your broker, you can still use it as a charting program or a screener or whatever you want to word it as. If you want, there's an affiliate link in the description below. Use that affiliate link to at least sign up. And then if you ever do decide to make a deposit, I'll get a couple fractional shares, and then you'll get like 6 to 12 free stocks if you ever do decide to make a deposit and use Webull. But if you don't want to, you can still use the affiliate link and download it and just either use it on your phone or use it on your computer like I'm using it right now, and just use it as a screener. Stonk Squeeze, what's going on, man? Dinner, late lunch equals afternoon meal. Supper, dinner in the U.S. Dinner equals a lunch, late afternoon meal. Supper equals dinner in the... Yeah, supper. Supper, man. Supper's like that's what my grandma would say. Supper. Trying to read and something. Bull market is coming back. 100 Stonk Squeezer. I hope so, man. Did you get Charlton Heston yet? Omega No. Dangerfield. No, I did not. Okay, real serious question here. I'm trying to put the LUNC I have in my MetaMask. I'm trying to put the LUNC I have into my MetaMask, but for some reason I cannot find it in my app, and when I search for it, nothing comes up. I even copying the contract. If you're copying the contract, Dark Bro, I do not know if you're copying the contract and pasting that in there. It should show up. Try doing it. If you don't have a Trust Wallet, download Trust Wallet and try doing it. I know people have Terra Luna Classic in their Trust Wallet, so check it out there, man. I don't have any in my MetaMask, so I don't know, but that is something that I would look at. Test it on Trust Wallet. If you're doing it right and it shows up on Trust Wallet, it may not be supported on MetaMask, man. I don't know. Let's see. Absolutely, JD. I think Terra Luna Classic will skyrocket first because it only needs 2 zeros to clear for 1 cent. Plus, it doesn't have much coins compared to... Yeah, you're right. Peace, love. It's got about 6 trillion, 7 trillion coins outstanding. Shiba Inu coin has that 600 trillion coins outstanding. So there is a 100x difference in the amount of coins outstanding for Shiba Inu coin and Terra Luna Classic. So I would agree with you based on that. Now, clearly, if something happens with Shiba and it doesn't happen with Terra Luna Classic, you've got all of those factors that could make a difference. But you are looking at the right stuff there. Couldn't cattails out of the pond sucks, but glad to still be employed. Let's not make money because let's not make money because hard times. Am I right? Good day, everybody. No, man, we always need to make money, man. We always need to make money, and you're doing good, Chris. Cutting those cattails down, I don't know what it entails, but nobody wants to go into a little swamp. You got big boots on? Dude, if you got big boots on, be okay. Get one of those, like, fisherman outfits, dude, that's, like, rubber all the way up to your chest, and just go in. Just go in full force. Full, as the kids say, like, full send, man. Just do it. And soda is a beverage, pop is a sound. That is unfortunately incorrect for you, Pudgy. Soda is something weird people say. Pop is what it actually is. ApeCoin, keep running, baby. Pika Power. Is Pika Power making some money on ApeCoin? Let's see where ApeCoin is at. Ape is $5.02. Looking very good. Pika, I don't know if you got in on the dip down here, where you got in, but man, I hope it blasts. Dude, could you imagine if Pika gets in, she buys the dip, and then it rips back up to like $25 a coin, man? Boosh! It just blows up on this NFT game that they've got out there, and all of a sudden Pika is just sitting on a 5-6x gain. I would love that. Pika, I absolutely hope that that's what happens for you. If you get into ApeCoin, I really hope you make some money on it. My goodness, that would be incredible. I hope it shoots up to $20 and everybody's kicking themselves except for you. I don't think there is a slot for LUNC on MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. There might not be, Matthew. There might not be. That's why I was saying check Trust Wallet to see if it's working for you there, or if something else could be wrong. I'm cooking meatballs tonight, Clyde. You want me to send you some? As long as you send me a wild hamster with those meatballs. Yes, Sarah. Otherwise, I don't know. By the time they get here, I don't know if they're still going to be good by the time they get here. If they are, I will eat them for sure. If they're bad, I don't know. That might be bad. Why are they delisting on Webull? Jessica, if you're talking about Terra Luna Classic being delisted on Webull, it actually has not been listed on Webull since the fallout back in like June of 2022, sorry. So, it is on Webull. You can chart it on Webull, but it is close only on Webull. You cannot buy Terra Luna Classic on Webull. So I can't buy it. I can look at it on here. I can watch it on here. And if I owned Terra Luna Classic on Webull from way back in the day, I could still close it out. But I can't do anything other than that. So they're going to be delisting it, which means it won't even be open. You know, it won't even be close out. They're just going to liquidate your position at that point. And that's just because, you know, they don't want to deal with it. The same way Coinbase delisted it and all of that. They don't want to deal with Terra Luna Classic and Luna 2.0 and everything that's going on with it. So that's why they're delisting it. They're also delisting, I believe, Crypto.com coin. And they are... Zcash is another one. Zcash is apparently close only on Webull right now. That's not going to be on here anymore. And then, I don't know. There was like 2 or 3 other ones that are also getting delisted that are currently close only on Webull. Let's see. Notos got XRP MetaMask, no problem. Good deal. Yeah, and you can get XRP on Trust Wallet as well. I think when you send XRP to like any wallet, you have to pay a 10 XRP fee to set that wallet up or something like that, which is a little interesting. But at the current price is that somewhere between $3 and $4. So if you want to hold it on a DeFi exchange, man, I don't know. I believe that DeFi exchanges and cold storage wallets are currently better. I don't want to loan my money to anybody out, especially these billion-dollar exchanges. And if you're holding on to one of those centralized exchanges, you're loaning them the money, man. I don't think that they need our loans. You can do it. You can do it all night long. Mad Hippie, yes, man. Have you heard of Pi? And what do you think of it? So Matthew, yes, Matthew, you ever got a gray name, or was your name green before and now it's just gray? Are you on a different account, or is this a different Matthew? Yeah, so I've heard of Pi, but I've never really looked into Pi too well. I know that people mint or mine or something with Pi. You know, they get free Pi for doing something. Pi has a very strong social media presence. They're constantly hitting Twitter. So I know that they do their best to market Pi to a lot of people, but I've never taken the time to look into Pi Network or whatever it is. But I know they got a strong marketing mentality, man, because I see them everywhere. Generally, whenever I want to get some, I can't just buy. I go to CoinMarketCap, cap the contract address for the network I want to use, and swap. Yeah, Dark Bro, that's it. That's it. What you got to do, man. I mean, you are right on that. Working, came in to smash the like button and give them an ad clip. Ooh, Moji, we got to see, guys. We better have some serious likes out there right now. What are you guys doing in terms of likes? Got to come back out to here. Come out to here. 25. You guys are at a 50% ratio right now. 5 of you guys better click that like button. Let's go 30. I have not seen 100 likes on a live stream in like the last 3 or 4 months, man. It's devastating. Click the like button. Do it. Took all my money out of exchanges when the bankruptcy scares started. Yeah, no toast. Not a bad idea, man. Only a bad idea if you actively trade it, right? If you actively trade your cryptocurrency, it could be a much better idea to hold it on a centralized exchange so that you're buying and selling and so on. But if you've got crypto that you want to hold, I don't know, man. I can't justify loaning these. Dude, like, would you loan Bill Gates money? No. Would you loan Tesla? Would you loan Elon Musk money? No, you're not going to loan Elon Musk money. You're not going to loan Bill Gates money. You're not even going to loan anybody that's got $1 million money. So why are we loaning these exchanges any money when they're sitting on billions of dollars, man? We should not be doing it. We should not be doing it. The only thing I hold is Tectonic on a centralized exchange. Gotcha. No toast. And you know what, man? I hope Tectonic kills it for everybody that's got it. Hello, thoughts on Moon's possible stock split, then squeeze. Gosh, Shredder. I hate stock splits, okay? I hate stock splits. I think stock splits are a way for the company just to get back above listing requirements, okay? It does not create any value for the company when they split the stock. And I don't know what the short interest is on Mullen Auto, but I do know for a fact reverse splits do not guarantee a squeeze. The idea that Cosmos Health kind of promoted after that squeeze, you do not, it's not screwing shorts by doing some sort of reverse split, man. So I don't like the idea of any reverse split. I would rather see the company, buy some shares back or do something to get the price of the stock back above $1 other than a reverse split. I just don't like reverse splits, man. Thoughts on Shibarium dropping on Valentine's? Jessica Painter. I do think it's a possibility. I don't know if they're going to make it that obvious for us that, hinting at a heart-shaped box with a bow around it is guaranteed to be a Valentine's Day release and stuff. Maybe, it is a possibility, but they've never given us a date before, and that would be a pretty obvious date. So it is possible, but I don't think so. Wish I could click it more than once. Adam, you can, but don't do it, man. Don't do it, because then it'll just unlike it. You guys remember Moji's in the bathroom to get on here, just saying, I like it. That's what we need to know about Moji. Retail bears crying. Big money is going long now. It's simple. Follow big money. Bobby Jenkins Jr. Yes, that is a strategy, okay? What usually happens in market cycles, okay? And this is unfortunate, but big money typically uses retail investors as their liquidity, as their out. So big money, it is very big money, man. Big money's got like an unlimited source of money. So when big money starts to flow back in, prices do go back up. And after prices begin to go up so high, retail investors, I'm telling you guys right now, believe me when I tell you, nobody is signing up during this bear market for crypto. All of my affiliate links, just beating a dead horse with it. Nobody is signing up for brokers. Nobody's making deposits on these brokers. That's why you see Webull right now. Webull is offering, if you can get anybody to sign up, man, you're getting 30 fractional shares because nobody is signing up. Retail investors don't want anything to do with buying stocks on a discount price. And that's sad because that's when you make your money, right? If you're able to buy in when everything is crashing down around you, but they wait. And when institutional investments start to flow back in and stock prices do go up, they're up by 20%, they're up by 30%, they're up 100%, they're up 200%. Oh, now retail say it, dude. If I would have invested, I'd have so much money right now. Oh my gosh. And then they start to jump in. And that's when the prices start to really take off. When that little frenzy of an investment starts to go with retail investors FOMOing in, and then wouldn't you know, man, the good old institutional investor has found a buyer at prices 2 to 3 times higher than they were getting in at, and those retail investors begin to get dunked on. They begin to buy the shares of the institutional investors who are selling off. And when they start to feel that pressure, because retail investors are not patient, retail investors are not willing to hold the same way an institutional investor is with a 5-year, 10-year, 20-year, 50-year plan. They want their money, and they want their money yesterday. So then they start to sell off, and the market cycle goes down again. And then, while the institutional investors are sitting there potentially shorting on the way back down, once it gets to a low enough price, they begin to pile back in. Wash, rinse, and repeat. Man, the cycle continues on. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Smash that like and happy birthday, Lil Dark Bro. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Little Dark Bro. Happy birthday to you. Little Dark Bro, man. Today is your day, dude. I love it. Patrick, man, thank you very much for that. I appreciate all the birthday shout outs to Little Dark Bro out there, man. Very nice. That was Abby G. Okay, with bro. I don't know. Find out. Maybe, and I'm just spitballing here. Nobody likes you or wants to use your boom. That very well could be. That very well could be. But I will say this: some people do use them. So like there is. It's still a lot less people using than used before. But dude, it's like pulling teeth to get somebody to actually make a deposit on these platforms. They go out right now and they'll hit a download. They'll get it on their app. They'll download it. They'll use it. You know, there's a handful a month or whatever. But nobody is making a deposit. Like nobody's going out and actually buying any stocks right now. And I can confirm, I can guarantee you that switches drastically when you were at market highs. When everything is running and hitting new highs and people should have been in already and essentially should be taking profits on the way up like that. Oh, dude, everybody wants a piece and everybody wants to sign up then. They just do not want to sign up right now. I get used to the DevOps tools feeding us horse dookie. They just like to get the hype out of us and they don't produce anything for Shib. Yeah, Pudgy, man. At the same time, man, I don't know. I don't want to give these developers are good for like stories and content and talking about what's going on in the ecosystem and stuff like that. But dude, I cannot rely on them. I especially cannot rely on a guy that nobody knows that's just using a cartoon avatar saying that he's creating something magical. And all of this. Nobody knows his experience, if he's got any, if he's actually developing anything. Like, I don't know, man. It is exciting that something is being built or theoretically being built. But yeah, dude, it's very hard to get behind that kind of stuff. Still holding Shredder. Diamond. He's good. I was about to pull an Ape Father, but I don't know. I'll probably get demonetized if I say some of the stuff that Ape Father says. He's got them diamond hands, baby. We'll call them hands. He's got them diamond hands. Hey, bro, with the Shibarium drop, increased the price of Shiba Inu on Valentine's Day. Let's talk about that. What up, Mama? What's going on, Chris? That's right, JG Wentworth is better than the market. Just get your money. It's your money, and you want it now. So, look, I'll talk about this in the video tonight. So, I do think that if Shibarium is dropped, it can cause excitement, okay? And that excitement could cause the price to rise. As soon as people realize that Shibarium is not burning Shiba Inu coin. That Shibarium doesn't have utility built on it yet. That Shibarium doesn't have 1 million users. That Shibarium isn't everything that they expected it to be on release. Then I do believe the price honestly drops. I believe the price of Bone comes down. I believe the price of Shiba Inu comes down. I believe the price of these assets will come down when people realize it's not everything that they had hoped for. But you can't forget that it will take time. And if people do end up using it, if it does end up becoming some sort of a hub for developers and investors and crypto advocates, then yes, man, then I do think the price goes much higher. But in the initial launch, I think there's going to be excitement, and then I think there's going to be disappointment. So, play that the way that you want. I think you will see a pop up and probably a spike down when people are disappointed afterwards. Just my thought on it. Got blocked by 2 Shiba developers for FUD. When in reality, it's reasonable questions. Yeah, Pika. There's no such thing. That's the strange part to me, right? I always welcome reasonable questions in here. I love the reasonable questions, man. Especially if your question is kind of like going against the way I think. Because here's what it shows, man. If I can't debate my side or back up my side of it, and I don't even understand your side, I only see my mental track, that's not good, okay? You still don't have to agree with me, right? We get all that stuff. But at least I can back up my ideas. If you ask a question that challenges my point of view or challenges me, and I just say, shut up, you're blocked, stop it right now, you idiot, that shows weakness, in my opinion. It shows that you're either uncomfortable with your own position and not willing to fight for it or back it up or, whatever. Even if you're right or wrong, it still shows that you're not comfortable with it. And it's also just rude, too. And I completely agree with you. They are that way. As soon as you question or challenge or put them in the spotlight on anything, they don't want to back it up, man. And I don't like that at all. I like being able to, even if you see something differently than I do, okay, great. But if I'm willing to kind of promote it or talk about it, trust me when I tell you I'm willing to back it up or just back off. Dude, I don't know. Some of you guys come in here talking about coins like Saitama. I've seen a lot of problems with Saitama's launches and releases and stuff. But I can't argue with Saitama going up 70% today, right? There's just some things that, money talks, and the money's moving up today. Clay, is Gemini related to Genesis since Genesis filed bankruptcy? Yes. So, in a way, Matthew, they are related. Genesis owes Gemini $900 million. So, that's a pretty strong relation, dude. When you owe somebody $900 million, you guys are tied together. So, they are related in that sense. And I would be concerned. I do have, 2 years ago, man, I had a couple people sign up for Gemini, and I've got maybe $20 in Bitcoin on Gemini or something. But yeah, I've never really used them to trade or anything. So I'm not terribly concerned about them, and seemingly nobody's ever signed up for them. So, yeah, I would be concerned if I was on Gemini with the fact that both of them are being sued by the SEC. But Genesis owes Gemini $900 million, and I think that they're all getting ready to file bankruptcy there. If I know we're on the same side most times, I won't ask. I want you to debate me. And to this day, he's only blocked me thrice. I've never blocked you, Devil's Advocate. Calm down on that one. But yes, no, and I dude, you probably got some sort of a debater personality as well, man. I do too, and I honestly feel like it is healthy to be able to debate something. Arguing is different, and I think you guys can agree with that. Arguing is different. Arguing is a little bit more like, well, you're dumb. Pointing out your sides. And in debates, it's not like a change my mind type of deal. Debates, dude, as long as you can support your side, I can support my side. We don't have to to come to the exact same conclusion. You can still think I'm wrong, and I can still think you're wrong, right? Can burn rate be adjusted? Aiden, yes. The burn rate can be adjusted on Terra Luna Classic. The burn rate should be able to be adjusted on Shibarium, okay? There is no burn rate on Shiba Inu coin, though, if that's what you're talking about. Let's see. Here's an unreasonable question. What country are we taking over when Shib hits $1? All of them, Dark Bro. All of them, man. World domination. Civil discourse is a good thing. Yeah, and you know what? Respectful civil discourse is a good thing, right? And it sharpens your tools, right? Like, think about it. It sharpens your knife, dude. Imagine Devil's Advocate and I getting into a nice debate. He points his side out. I point my side out. All of a sudden, I see his perspective. I still disagree with it. He clearly sees my perspective. He knows I'm right, but he disagrees with it as well. And then you move on, and it kind of shows you just, two different ideas and two different points of view on something, and then you either feel stronger in your beliefs, or you kind of open your mind a little bit and say, well, maybe, and it is good, dude. It is good. Look, listen, shoot, move, and communicate. There you go, Pudgy. All of the good things. Got only 10% power left now, so until the next time, hope that all of you have an awesome day/evening. Sarah Delisted, 50 Shades of Croy. Go charge your phone, Sarah. Call your friend up really quick with 10%. Tell her to bring a phone charger over, and you guys will be good. Enjoy your weekend, Sarah. Friday night slumber party with a phone charger, please. Let's see. How do you debate somebody that thinks crypto is a Ponzi scheme? Mr. Brian, I don't know how you debate people that think crypto is a Ponzi scheme, but I will say this, okay? Crypto essentially can be a Ponzi scheme. Any investment ever is a Ponzi scheme. A Ponzi scheme pays the investors that are there first with money from investors that come after them. There's no real value generated. So the idea is a company, like a stock that's traded, has intrinsic value. They turn a revenue, they sell a product, they're developing something. They've actually got some sort of an intrinsic value. If you look at the banking system here in the United States, it is also a Ponzi scheme, okay? If you go to the bank and deposit your money, you're not going to make any money if you deposit it into an account unless they go lend it out to other people who are supporting that interest rate that they earn, and then they are paying you based on the interest rate that they earn. And then it builds up and it builds up and it builds up. The more and more and more money that goes into the bank, the more and more money that the guys that own the bank and so on make. As soon as everybody takes their money out, boom, the whole thing honestly would collapse. Crypto is no different. Crypto, if you're buying Bitcoin and buying Bitcoin and buying Bitcoin, the idea or the intrinsic value is that Bitcoin truly is a decentralized financial system. Very similar to the banking system across the globe, except the banking system across the globe is centralized. So you've got governments, you've got fiat governments or governments controlling the fiat currency. You've got the banking system making decisions on the interest rates and what to do with the money that they have. The decentralized finance system, exact same concept, except no one entity controls it. It is decentralized in the sense that if one guy across the world has his computer turned on, it is still going to function. Nobody can shut it down. But at the end of the day, the same way as if you withdrew all of your money from the bank, if everybody withdrew all of their money from crypto, it collapses. The price collapses. It doesn't work if everybody leaves. You're stuck. You're stuck in at that point. Unless there's a radical change, you are stuck in at that point. So anybody that wants to say crypto is a Ponzi scheme, I understand the idea that crypto could be a Ponzi scheme, but they also have to be willing to say that every fiat system across the world is also a Ponzi scheme. Actual answer, let them think it's one. Placebos have been proven to give you actual value time and time again. They don't need to change their mind just to learn how to use it anyway to their benefit. Yeah, devil's advocate, it is true, right? And I will concede the fact that anybody that wants to out there that crypto is a Ponzi scheme, if you're willing to concede that, the global financial system is also a Ponzi scheme. If you don't view the global financial system as a Ponzi scheme, you can't view crypto as a Ponzi scheme. But if you view it that way, then yeah, all day long, I'll say it's Ponzi. I gotta change the YouTube header to 2023, man. Oh, Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Ooh, and we get the tithe on there, man. I like it. Let's do that now. Where are we actually at with this header? Dude, what do I have going on here? I got like a wild hair or something. I just saw that when I was taking that drink. I don't know what's going on. I got like a wild hair or something sticking back. Let's find this header real quick. Like on my actual YouTube. Oh, yeah, man. Description. I'm Clay, and I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you're interested in investing and taking your portfolio to new levels in 2023, you're in the right place. Let's make 2023, not 2032. Oh, goodness. The best year ever and grow our portfolios together. Boom, baby. I like it. Thank you very much. Pat, I think that's what you were talking about there. Yeah, I think that's what you were talking about, man. Go see if it fixed it. Go see if it fixed it, Pat. Clibro, thoughts on Filecoin? I never really looked into Filecoin. I know what it is, though. What do you know if it's security, etc.? I know it's been aiming to be a blockchain version of AWS storage, Dropbox, etc. Yeah, Gorilla. I don't know too much about its security or anything for that matter, but I have heard of Filecoin for quite some time. $4.51 on Filecoin right now. It's a large coin, man. $1.6 billion market cap. So it is definitely up there at $4.50. Dude. Look, man, $4.50 is a very nice price. Okay. I would be intrigued. If you believe in Filecoin as a project, I would be intrigued to get Filecoin anywhere between $2 and $4 here. Those were phenomenal market low prices in 2018, 19, and 20. It ripped up to $180, almost $180, man, during the 2021 rally. This could be a huge opportunity to 20, 30, 40x your money in something that it's still $1 billion coin. Very large project right now. So it doesn't seem like it's just going to fizzle out and die. But if it jumps back up due to a $40, $50 billion valuation, yeah, you did real good. Just a 40, 50x your money in Filecoin. But as far as what they got going on, man, I unfortunately cannot talk on the project at all. I just knew it was a well-known coin, a larger coin, and that right there proves that it could really shoot up in value, man. $170 from $4 would not be bad at all. And I'm telling you, man, you know what? You name these coins. Let's see this. We all get ignored. Nobody ever gets ignored, man. Nobody ever gets ignored. No, your actual head. Something I know I might have missed something, guys. I'm sorry if I did. But yeah, if you're looking at this, I love this as an example of just what happens in a bull market. You can come out and you can click on any. Okay, no, not true USD. That's gonna be That's going to be a stable coin. Let's see. Let's look at... Well, VeChain is another well-known one. Let's look at this one. Not too many people talk about the Graph coin, okay? Currently $700 million market cap. Let's see what the Graph was doing during the bull market. Sitting at 8 cents right now. Bull market... Graph sitting up here in 2021 at $2. $2 from 8 cents. You guys are talking a 20x, almost a 25x increase in the Graph right there. If you're talking about, Clayton coin. Let's see what this is. $590 million market cap right now. I've actually never heard of this coin. And this one, during a bull market, boom, shooting up to $4. Another 20x gain from where you're at right now. These coins, they all do so well. Everybody wants their hands on something. Mina. Who the heck knows what Mina is, man? Mina sitting at a $6 price point from a 50-cent price during the bull market back there in 2021. Engine coin, the $400 million market cap right now. Engine was at $4.50. It's at $4.42 right now. 10x gain. The bull markets bring opportunities across the board, man. And I absolutely hope that you guys can see that. So it doesn't almost matter what you're holding, as long as you're holding something. Patrick, Gorilla in Dark, no ignore ever. Yes, Gorilla, and I see this one down here. I got Richie's Plain Talk in my sights right now. Thank you very much for the hydration. Never ignoring Dark or Gorilla. Richie, thank you very much for the super chat. My man Clay with the pump coming. Do you think it will dump after or continue to grow? Richie, man, thank you very much for that super chat. Look, dude, I think that any pump in cryptocurrency in general, okay, is not going to be a safe, secure, and sustainable pump during 2023. I believe we're going to see a lot of regulation in 2023. If the regulation is well accepted and it's embraced by the crypto community, then yes, I do believe that each one of these pumps can be succeeded by another pump and we can continue to move higher. However, I think that the government, and I think that these regulatory bodies, I truly believe that they're going to be testing their bounds. Okay, they're going to be testing their limits. They're going to try and overreach. They're going to try and put their hand so far down your pocket that they realize they can't go in anymore and they've got to pull it out a little bit. So I think that they're going to try and test their limits. I think they're going to test them too high on some things, and there's going to be a lot of pushback. And if they test them too high, I think it's going to cause a major spike down in price. So it's going to be a very interesting balance between the regulation that they put forth and what people are willing to handle in the crypto space. Now, if you're talking about things specifically like Shiba Inu coin and Terra Luna Classic and so on, with the upcoming releases in Shiba Inu coin with Shibarium, I do believe that we are going to see initial excitement followed by disappointment in what Shibarium actually is and the fact that it's going to take a long time to grow. So I think like in coins like that, man, we're going to see a nice spike up followed by a very quick spike down when people realize it's not everything that they had hoped that it would be, and then you're going to have a little bit of sell-off afterwards. So hopefully, man, hopefully that answers your question. I love it, dude. Richie, thank you very much for that super chat. Absolutely incredible, man. Really appreciate you. Richie's don't have a family to feed. He says, my family eats well. Nice, man. Very good, Richie. Very good. I got a hole in my pocket, bro. They better not go digging too much. They might find more than they want. That's what I'm saying. Sounds like Devil's Advocate's already had somebody way down so far in his pocket, man. They blew a hole in it. Oh, God. Devil's Advocate says, oh, man. At least he followed that up with they better not be going and finding more than they want. Yeah, instead of, come on, put your hand. No, you can't be egging them on now. Oh, gosh. All right, I got to calm down. I got to get that out of my mind, man. This is going downhill quick. Oh, in 1 minute, can we talk about the Ponzi scheme thingy again? Yeah, next level. We can talk about it right now, man, if you want, but you got to hurry because it's already 1 o'clock, man. We could do it in the afternoon live stream. Next level. We could do it in the afternoon live stream because I truly believe that, everything is a Ponzi scheme. If everybody pulls out, they pull out. There's no intrinsic value to a dollar. There's literally no intrinsic value to a dollar. It's not worth the paper it's printed on, and it's only backed up by the fact that people accept it, man. And the same deal goes for cryptocurrency. It is 1 o'clock. Oh, yeah. We're uphill quick. Something's... Oh, God, dude. This dude... This is why sometimes these afternoon sessions and these afternoon breaks are necessary, because imagine where this live stream would go if it just went on for another 3 hours, led astray by Devil's Advocate's mind right there. Oh, the places we could go. Dr. Seuss, what do you know? I'm telling you, man, we would go and go and go. Guys, get your names in the chat. We'll do these shout-outs. We'll be back this afternoon, man. You guys are absolutely awesome. Hopefully you enjoy your afternoon. Get some work done. Get ready for the weekend. All that good stuff. We'll be back in a couple hours here. Shredder, man. Peace out to you, King Mamba, Gorilla, Invictus. See you later, Killer Peja. Rich O, man. Next Level, Roulette Wheel, Devil's Advocate. Enjoy your day. Next Level, Devil's Advocate, Wayne Gross. See you later. Pika Power. Peace out of the Diamond Hand of Hamsters. Oh, yes. Rich, man. Richie's Plain Talk. See you later, and thank you very much once again. Matthew, Gorilla, Roulette Wheel, Tony, Pudgy, Roulette Wheel, Next Level, Pudgy, Gorilla, Invictus, DD214, Love Your Show, SD. Thank you very much for watching the show. Appreciate all you guys doing so. Pika Power. Enjoy your day. You guys know what time it is. Pat, man. Peace out to you. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.